All right, so I'm enjoying my weekend already. I've been playing in the shop with the new S1 from xTool, and I just got done designing some earrings. That seems kind of weird, but it's something that I've wanted to play with for a while because I see wooden earrings everywhere. Now, I don't wear earrings, but I know a few people that do. And so for the sake of Halloween, I whipped up these very cute little cat earrings. I just drew this in Lightburn and then exported it as an SVG file and brought it into the XCS software and was able to pump those out very quickly. It takes about 15 seconds per earring, so you could make short work of a lot of earrings, so that's kind of cool. I was playing around with this anodized aluminum sheet that I got recently, and I made a whoopsie, and I lasered it in the inverse, so it looks like a negative, but it kind of looks cool. This is like forest, the camera's looking up, and I think it turned out pretty good even though I did it wrong. So anyway, even the mistakes can be good sometimes. Did this slate tile with the kind of a Thanksgiving theme on it, and there's nothing to say about it. It looks perfect, fantastic. This slate actually came as a sample with the S1. I've done trivets before, but I kind of got some inspiration online and did this one. It says hot stuff. If you were trying to troll your favorite cook, you could put all sorts of messages on there. So that turned out really, really well. Going in with the kitchen, this is a bamboo cutting board, and this little image turned out fantastic. It's not too deep. You could use it on this side if you wanted to, but you would probably use it on the other side and then let it sit up and use this for decoration, or you could just use it for decoration only. But anyway, somebody's probably getting that for Christmas. And then the last little thing that I played with, and I had seen this somewhere, but you may or may not have someone in your life that has one of these. I do. And one of the little things that I came across with these particular cups in general is a name plate that you can actually slide down and lock it into the lid, so that if you have multiple people with these and maybe they're the same color, that you know whose it is. This one simply says Mom on it, and to make it more readable, this is black acrylic, and to make it more readable, what I did was I have a paint crayon, and I went over the etch and then wiped off the excess, and that left a white mark in the engraving that was done on the piece, and that helps that name stand out. I could have gone with a thicker font, or maybe just hollowed it out completely instead of line, and it would have been even more readable, but it turned out really, really well. For the items that I used off of Amazon, all those links will be down below as always. If you're interested in laser engraving and the S1 has piqued your curiosity, they're still running the special through the 21st for the free Honeycomb bed and the free Smart Air Assist, which is this little guy right here. And that ends on the 21st. So if this is something you're thinking about, be sure to check that out. And then after that, there's like a $200 off coupon code that you can use. So all the links will be down below as always. I hope everybody has a fantastic weekend, and I look forward to seeing you again.